First you click the above three-dot line in the home screen. If you don't set up admin users, you have to click the OK button. Now you can see all feature manual interface. Click User Management. Click New User and you can see User Setup Interface. Then you have to fill up the user information here. Go to the Face option and wait for a while before device told thank you. User face setup complete. Now click on Fingerprint option. Choose Fingerprint through number. Press your finger on scanner 3 times. User fingerprint setup complete. You can edit or delete the user. Let's see network configuration. Go to the communication option. Internet connection mode is Ethernet. You connect Ethernet mode by assign IP, subnet mask, gateway, DNS, etc. Otherwise on DSCP mode. Easily complete your internet setup. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.